again and again, or time after time. That is called habit. Habits make the big difference in our success, in whatever we seek to do. We come to recognize that it's not what we do once in a while that makes the big difference, but what we do repeatedly, consistently, regularly, continually, frequently. As ZIGLAR put it, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. I like what John C. Maxwell said, that you never change your life until you change something you do daily. Starting is important, but not enough to make a big difference. Many times we start to exercise with a lot of excitement. We hit the gym or start walking or jogging. Then after a few days, we start to feel so tired, so sore that we can't even see how to lift the gym bag, let alone get back to exercising. So you say, I will do it tomorrow. And then I'll do it tomorrow. And then tomorrow, and tomorrow never comes. And finally, procrastination sets in, and that becomes the end of exercising regularly. Or even you stop it altogether. You start to say that you can't get time or things like that. To quote OCTAVIA BUTLER, first forget inspiration. Habit is more dependable. Habit will sustain you whether you are inspired or not. Or as Robert Correa said, success is the sum of the small effort repeated day in, day out. Consider that it takes small efforts every day, repeated every day. Whether it's about saving money, whether it's about exercise, whether it's about diet, it's a sum total of small efforts done every day that makes the difference. Without starting, nothing is going to happen. And that's why taking the first step in the direction you want to go is considered so important. I like how DARREN said that each choice starts a behavior that over time becomes a habit. But as we keep saying, you have to get started. You don't have to see the entire journey or the whole staircase. Take the first step and then start to build the right habits, and you will get there. You will build momentum, you will build momentum, and you will get to where you want to go. So thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and tell others about it. Share my videos. Asante sana and karibu sana. We all need to elevate our mindset at this time.